Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this episode, we'll show you how to apply for the University of Siena scholarships in Italy. This is an international excellence scholarship for session 2026-2027 for master's degree, open to all international students across the globe. So we'll show the full process for this. How do you apply? Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarships are posted there, and you can apply to them. The link for this scholarship in Italy is given in the video description below. So you can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanbook.com. And on Instagram, you can see our posts, and in the post description, you can see our websites given there, or you can directly message our team, ask for the link and any guidance that you need. So once you visit our website fullscholarships.net through the link in the description, you can directly read this information regarding the scholarship. So we have already premiered this scholarship when it started 2 months back, but this is just a reminder for you so that there's a 1 week of time left. If you are yet to apply, if you are yet to finalize and submit the application, this is the last reminder call for you. So host country is Italy in Europe, and you can apply for postgraduate or master's degree program. All countries are eligible for this. It's a fully funded scholarship with around $12,000 of 12,000 euros of stipend. No IELTS exam is required for this, or TOEFL is required for this. So deadline is 26th of May 2026. That is why the reason we call it the reminder. And this University of Siena is offering this international excellence scholarship to all the foreign students pursuing master's degree in this university. So in case you wish to apply for the different scholarships offered there, so they might have different scholarships, like presidential scholarship is there, international excellence scholarship is there, like this one we are uh, like describing in this video. So you must be selected for any of the master's degree program, so 2-year master's degree program, we can say. So you should be enrolled to the master's degree program. If you have been accepted, then you need to apply for this scholarship. Even if you are not applied yet, you can directly apply for the programs and then apply for the scholarships as well. So eligibility requirements: be a non-Italian degree holder and be an international student, non-Italian citizenship. Then EU citizens are not eligible, so non-EU citizen must be there. So benefits for this we have discussed already. So around 6,000 euros of annual gross amount will be given. Besides this, if you apply for the university scholarship, you may apply for the Erasmus Mundus or Erasmus Plus scholarship separately then. So you can get the different grants as well. So different programs that you can apply for this scholarship is areas of economics and law. The master degree programs will be in the economics, finance, political, in the area of political and international, social, and cognitive sciences. And in language and mind, you'll be linguistics and cognitive studies. And then for the public and cultural diplomacy, and then areas of biomedical will be there, biotechnology and human reproduction, medical biotechnology. So different for math, there will be applied mathematics, AI and automation engineering, biodiversity, chemistry, electronics. So different subjects, vast subjects are there. You should apply for this one here. Now how do you apply? So there are certain documentation that you need to fill. Online application form is definitely there. Then they also need a 1-minute video, and the previous bachelor's degree should be there with the transcripts, degree certificate, and that's the simple basic documentation. So now in order to start the application, scroll down here, you can see click here to apply button, click on this link here, and once you click on that, it will directly take you to the official website here on the admissions page of University of Siena, set up, or you can say founded in 1240. And this is the excellence scholarship. These are the previous, or you can say previous past alumni of the same program. And you can see, you can download the PDF of the call here, and you can check out the deadlines and other details of the program scholarship here. So you can see already we discussed this. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see you applications can be submitted through this link here, and you can see the link for the scholarship is also given here. So you apply for the admissions first, and then you apply for the scholarship separately. And for this, they have kept 10 euros of fee there, but this is a very minimal fee as compared to other universities in Europe. If you see, there's $100 of 100 euros of fee, or you can say $70 to $90 of fee per application. in other universities, if you have seen, just few European universities are there which do not have application fee. Like Bologna University, they don't have the Unibo, they don't have the application fee, and some other University of Parma or like other universities, they don't have application fee. So this one they have kept the €10 of application fee just to filter out the students who just gather here and do not take this application process seriously. So in order to filter out those, you have the bestest chance of here applying, and that's just with the €10 of fee. So in order to start the application, click on this apply.unisi.it here, and once you click on that, it will take you to the official application portal here. Now you can see Siena International Excellence Scholarship. You can see apply now, and if you click on this link here, it should also take to the same page. Okay, now you can see you can directly apply for the scholarships. So if I click on apply now here, I'll have to log in first. For the first time users, if you're new here for the first time, you can click on new applicant here, or you can just register using Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn here. So I'll use the Google to sign in. So let me get that. I have successfully logged in here, and it has been added to my portfolio here. And now you can click on the profile, check out the details like your first name, last name, your passport number. You have to mandatorily mention it here. Then the expiry of the passport you have to mention here. So let me mention that. And then country where it has been issued. So you can see if geolocation is on your system or your workstation, it will by default set the country on the top. So then you enter the citizenship, date of birth, place of birth. Then you upload a photograph here, and in case you need any adjustment in any sections, you can ask us. Our team will help you there. So now also once you log in here, you will receive the email. So you can see I have entered the email and the phone number here. Then media files like a 1 minute video you need to upload here. You can see you can give the link as well, so you can upload the file as well. And let me open this one here. Okay, you can give the YouTube video URL as well here. So let me just copy one of the video URLs here and just keep it there. So you can add it. Now it is added, and now go to the document section. This is the scholarship application. Do not get confused with this. So there are two separate processes. This is the application for the scholarship. So no documents have been uploaded yet. So let me click on the documentation, and so I have added the document here and click on save. So I'll upload the document here. You can see, and now go to the scholarship application. So choose the first program you have applied. For example, applied mathematics, or you can go for the any other subject. Let me just choose the AI. And second choice, I'll go with the I'll go with the finance here. This is just a demo application. Do not get confused with yours, because you have to choose your own subject. Admission criteria, yes, already confirmed. And then checklist. So now I don't speak English. That's not the truth, but I completed my studies in English. So you can just say that I hold the English certificate. So you just have to set up any of this, and now I'll submit the proficiency certificate here. So I'll just choose that PDF here. You can see done. And now I'll close this section here. You can see. Okay, now I have to select. I have okay, now change has been saved, and once I close, this is done because I have uploaded the certificate. Then admission citizenship category. So I declare that I am non-EU. So you can see mentioned there. It is saved now. Now admission calendar, that's I do not have read so I have read it. So you can see it is here that when you have to join the program. So almost everything is done. Once you are ready, you can hit the submit button here. You remember which one? Okay, so there's a navigate to finance section. So once you do, click on finances here. You can see there's a $10 of 10 pounds of €10 of the application fee for this. Click on view application here, and you can see we need to submit the application fee for this. So I'll have to go to the finances again, finances section here, and click on this £10 here, €10. And once you're ready, click on pay with the card or whatever method there is. You have to complete this payment. Once you do it, your application will be submitted. Same method is there in the application section. So if you have any applications here, for example, I do not have any application added here because I have deleted that just to show you again. You can see show only programs that I can apply. I have just selected the English language, and now you can see different programs here: masters, fundamental courses, applied mathematics. This one is the scholarship that we have applied for. So AI is the another course that we have chosen. So you have to apply for the programs first, then apply for the scholarships. So I have already applied to these previously, just to show you the in the previous video we have shown the process for the admission. Just to show you the scholarship process, we have shown this video here for the scholarships. So yet if you need this, you can click on apply button here. Basic documentation, yes, you can clone your previous application details, and we have already filled in some details, and you can add other courses as well. Then profile, everything is there. Once ready, you can click on submit. So some details are there that needs to be filled in here. So you have previous education here, you have to mention that here. So I have completed the previous details. I'll just submit this, and then when is the year and month of the graduation here, you have to mention that. So I'll clearly mention that here. Okay, done. And the program name, you can mention that here, and nominal length of the program. So it's 4 years. I'll just select the 4 years program here. Done. And then country, which country you completed your bachelor's. So city of the program, or you can say institution, and then the language, and then GPA. So out of 4 skill, I'm just giving it here, and what type of institution it is, and normalized GPA, it's 4.0. Or you can say out of the scale that you convert it. We have on our website, we have given the scale here. You can convert the CGPA to the percentage, or we have given it here. So I'll just submit that here, and maximum possible GPA, or you can say I'll give it here in the GPA type. So then click on submit. You can see some errors were detected here, so you will have to clear these errors first. Same process, rest there is nothing different. And language, native language, you have to select this. Proficiency, or you can say C2. And Italian, we have none, so I'll just save it there. Click on contacts, address, city, and country. By default it is there. Now click on the profiles, place of birth, country of birth, passport full name, you mention that here. And let me click on submit. There's missing something. Okay, now it should be done. You can see all the errors are there. Go to checklist. Now upload the documentation. So you have to upload one by one the documentation here, and that's the passport, transcript, CV, proficiency certificate, or you can submit media of instruction certificate. Then admission citizenship category, here you have to declare that I'm non-EU, non-European Union citizen. Then academic calendar, you just tick it here and you read it. Proficiency, we have done, we have uploaded it already. And your CV, you have to upload this one by one. Once you clear all these errors here, you can simply submit the admission application. For this, there is an application fee of around 49, you can see 49 euros. So you have to pay this fee as well. So per subject is an application fee that you have to pay. So this filters out the students who are not serious about this process. In case you have any confusion, ask us in the comment section below. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Do remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Like and share this video with someone who is willing to go to Europe for the higher education. And on Instagram, directly follow us. And on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, I'm reminding you that the website link for this scholarship is given in the video description below, or you can check out the about section of the YouTube and directly Google our website fullscholarships.net. That's it for today. I'm signing off for Full Scholarships. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.